Good morning, students. Today, we will going to discuss the heavy and light movements. A heavy movement is a physical action performed with significant force, requiring more effort and a strong connection to the ground. For example, a guy carrying a box. So, for you to understand the heavy movements, I have a examples for you. For our first example, a girl carrying a box, it is a heavy movement or a light movement. Okay, a girl carrying a box is a heavy movement because it requires a lot of force to carry a box. Our second example is a kid who's balancing his full body with one hand. Is it a heavy movement or a light movement? Okay. A guy was balancing his whole body with one hand is a heavy movement because a lot of force has been used in balancing his own body with one hand. So our last example for the heavy movement is a kid who's doing an exercise. It is a heavy movement or a light movement. Very good. It is a heavy movement because we use a lot of force and we use our whole body to do a exercise. So let's move on to light movements. Light movements means moving our body softly like a feather or a balloon with very little effort of weight. You can think of it as a making slow, gentle, and almost silent movements like how a cat walks or falling leaf floats. For you to understand the light movement, I have a three example. The first one is the girl who's making an artwork. Is it a heavy or a light movement? It is a light movement because we only use our hands and fingers in making an artwork and not our whole body.